from Slovenia again. Today I want to talk about acrylic pouring technique that I was starting with, and I think that it's still kind of in the whole fluid art universe kind of underrated, or how can I say? I'm talking about wandering straight pours. Probably all of us at some point we did some straight pours, but doesn't need to be just a straight pour. So I bring this piece that I really like to just explain quickly what I will do. If you pour in kind of an S shape, you know, you get some beautiful feathery looking things, you get some beautiful kind of negative space thing. It's just something that I really like, and I want to do it today, because if you wander just, you know, in one space, you get just kind of it's beautiful too, but I like this movement, and when you tilt it out, you can get some kind of I see a path here, a sky here. You get kind of a landscape look, or how can I say? I have this canvas, it's 12 by 16 inch canvas that I was playing with something, didn't like it, just with the brush, and this will be for my canvas for today. And the colors are, I have gold, I have greenish blue, I have metallic violet. I mixed Amsterdam with metallic violet to some this little piggy pigments enhancement, and I don't know, it's a beautiful purple, light purple pigment. I have Prussian blue, I have iridescent green blue, I have permanent violet, and I have metallic blue, and I added some toffee, and I have pearl white and some white for flow extender if I need it. And I will start with some gold and a little bit of pearl white. Pearl white is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and my pouring medium. I like those effects that I get from my pearl white, so that's why I will use some between the colors. I'm trying to layer metallic, non-metallic, metallic, non-metallic, but my pearl white is kind of metallic too, so I don't know. I love blues and violets together, so just decided to do this color combination today. Pearl white. Kind of want to sandwich my pearl white between gold between pearl white. I definitely don't want gold to touch my violets because they don't look nice together, except red violet and the gold, they look nice together, but not the others. So pearl white again. Violet, blue. Let's see how much paint we have in there. I think we need a little more. I always like to have more paint that I need, because I just like to have enough paint to play with the composition. That is my preference. So I will start here and I will travel down, and maybe I want a little of this dark Prussian blue here on the top, just in case, if I will need it. So I like to just pour slow. And now I will start with my S shape. Have some color left, so I will just go around for a flow extender. I will tilt this off so I don't care a lot about this. So Let's tilt, because the majority of the paint is down there, so I will just tilt this first. And I will walk, not just go to one side or another side. I try to kind of walk through to the other side of the canvas. A big fan of that purple there, so I will tilt it off. I'm trying to get rid of that gold white thing and straighten the lines a little bit, because I kind of like more straight lines in this kind of pours. And that's why I like more paint that I need. You can always, you know, scrape this from your table and use for some other project, so it's not that you are wasting your paint. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, I'm liking it. That I have something in there too. Maybe it's just an air bubble. Checking my corners. Okie doke, so, but you can see the shimmer. The gold will shimmer, some of that purple and this iridescent blue-green, and this blue here will be beautifully sparkly color. Maybe there was too many metallics for my taste, but I really love the result. Do you feel that landscape kind of thing? Next time I would change the first, when I started, maybe just a little more, I don't know, but I love it. I really do. So stay tuned for the dried result, and don't forget, I will scrape this in the cup and I will use it again. No waste of paint. So here she is dry, and I love it. And the shimmer is just gorgeous. Always hard to capture the shimmer on camera, but it's really beautiful. And I love the composition. I just love it. I kind of lost some of the purples. I don't know, it is maybe I used just too much colors for this. This purple shines through here, is just gorgeous. And the fingerlings and this sky kind of look here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that you can create, you know, if you intentionally go for a landscape look, this is probably a good way to do it, to kind of zigzag with your cup, not zigzag, but in this S motion, and you can do a beautiful landscape painting just with a simple straight pour. As I said at the beginning, I still think that some of the not old, but basic techniques can create a beautiful painting. Don't need to go all crazy with all those things, you know. But that's how it is in life. We always search for something new, but you can still revisit your old techniques and try to create something more intentional, or how can I say. So I hope you liked this one. I definitely do. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching, and see you again on Monday. Bye.